And as you can see, I have uploaded both the images here. So first I will choose this image and I will click on BG remover. And as you can see, the candle is also removed, but we don't need this candle to make this effect. So I will just make it bigger. Okay, and after that I will go to apps here and I will type here easy reflection. Click on the first tab. Okay, so after opening the app, just click on create reflection. And as you can see, there are 4 options. So I will click on left here. So as you can see, in this left side, the reflection is created. And after that, increase the opacity to 100 and increase the offset to 90. Okay, and after that, click on add to design. So as you can see, the effect is here, and now we don't need the main image here, and we just need this one. So click on flip horizontal and make it bigger. And make sure some of the parts are in here covered so that you don't need to change the image and adjust it after that. And some of the image, make sure that the main character is cropped out here. So as you can see, this is the main image, but I am covering some of the hairs in here is cropped out so that we can make the image more prominent. Okay, and after that just duplicate it and another time. So it's a bit more visualistic effect here. And now after that we will scroll up to find uploads again, and now we will use the butterfly image and just adjust it according to the canvas. Okay, and right click and click on layer, send to back. Okay, so the effect here is done, but I need to make the double exposure effect. So for that we need to cover this part and just wipe out this part. So what you need to do is click on share, click on download and make sure it is in PNG and click on download here. Now I will open Photopea and click on file, click on open and just open the image which I just created. Okay, and after that just click in this quick selection and quick selection icon, and after that just select the parts which we needed. Take some time if you are not acquainted with this app, so take some time and adjust it accordingly so that you get the most beautiful design from this app. So just cover it here. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will click on file, click on new and select the width as 1920 and height as 1080 and DPI to be 300 and click on create. And after that just click on V to move this image and paste it in here. Now click on edit, free transform and resize the image. Okay, so now this resize is done. Now I need to do some erasing so that it becomes more prominent. Now as you can see, our design is ready.